Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Chem Corona. In this video, we are going to discuss anthracene. Anthracene, its methods of synthesis, reactions, and medicinal uses. Anthracene is another example of condensed polynuclear hydrocarbons containing three benzene rings which are fused with each other in a linear manner. It is named anthracene due to its presence in coal tar. In Greek, anthrax means coal. Let us discuss the nomenclature of anthracene. Different carbon atoms in anthracene are numbered as, we can start the numbering from this position. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the middle ring gets the position number 9 and 10. The molecular formula of anthracene is C14H10. It is clear from these two modes of numbering that there are three different positions which can be site for monosubstitution in anthracene. The other way of numbering anthracene is we can number the position 1, 4, 5 and 8 as alpha, position 2, 3, 6 and 7 as position beta, whereas the number 9 and 10 gets gamma position. Now let us discuss the different methods for synthesis of anthracene. The first method for synthesis of anthracene is Haworth synthesis. This involves treatment of benzene with phthalic anhydride in presence of aluminium chloride to form orthobenzoyl benzoic acid. This orthobenzoyl benzoic acid is then heated with concentrated H2SO4 to give 9,10-anthraquinone. Distillation of this 9,10-anthraquinone with zinc dust yields anthracene. So this is the first method for synthesis of anthracene. The second method is by Friedel-Crafts reaction. In Friedel-Crafts reaction, benzyl chloride reacts with itself to form 9,10-dihydroanthracene. This 9,10-dihydroanthracene readily loses two hydrogen atoms to yield anthracene as the final product. So this is the second method for synthesis of anthracene, that is Friedel-Crafts reaction. The third method for synthesis of anthracene is by Elb's reaction. In this reaction, polynuclear hydrocarbon is formed by pyrolysis of diaryl ketone containing a methyl or methylene group ortho to the carbonyl function. This is known as Elb's reaction. In Elb's reaction, orthomethylbenzophenone is heated at 450 degrees Celsius to yield anthracene as the final product. The fourth method for synthesis of anthracene is Diels-Alder reaction. Anthracene may be synthesized by reaction of 1,4-naphthaquinone with 1,3-butadiene. The product of this reaction is oxidized with chromium trioxide in glacial acetic acid to form 9,10-anthraquinone. This 9,10-anthraquinone on distillation with zinc dust yields anthracene as the final compound. Now let us discuss the reactions of anthracene. Anthracene undergoes nitration reaction on treatment with concentrated nitric acid in presence of acetic anhydride. Anthracene forms 9-nitroanthracene at lower temperature, that is around 20 degrees Celsius, and 9,10 dinitroanthracene at higher temperature, that is around 290 degrees Celsius. So we get two different products upon nitration of anthracene, that is at lower temperature we are getting 9-nitroanthracene, and at higher temperature we are getting a disubstituted compound, that is 9,10 dinitroanthracene. The next reaction is sulfonation reaction. Sulfonation of anthracene with concentrated sulfuric acid at lower temperature gives anthracene 1-sulfonic acid, and at higher temperature it yields anthracene 2-sulfonic acid. So we get two different products depending upon the temperature conditions. The third reaction is reduction reaction. Anthracene on reduction gives different products under different reaction conditions. So anthracene on reduction with sodium, metal and isopropanol, it gives 9,10 dihydroanthracene. Whereas oxidation of anthracene with dilute HNO3 yields 9,10 anthraquinone. Anthracene also undergoes Diels-Alder reaction. Diels-Alder reaction of anthracene takes place at 9 and 10 position to form endoanthracene malic anhydride. We can see here this product is called as endoanthracene malic anhydride, which is an adduct. Addition of oxygen molecule to anthracene gives anthracene epoxide. Now let us discuss the medicinal uses of anthracene. Anthracene is used in the manufacture of different dyestuffs and anthraquinones like alizarin. Various derivatives of anthracenes like anthraquinone, which are also present as glycosides, then oxanthrone, anthrone and anthrol, they are forming an important constituent of purgative drugs like rhubarb, senna, aloe and cascara. Dithranol, which is formed by reduction of 1,8-dihydroxyanthraquinone, is used in the form of ointments in various skin infections. So thank you for patient listening and happy learning. Like, share and subscribe my channel Chem Corona.